Baby Bird Part 2, Maiden Flight. So, a few weeks ago, Luciana rescued this baby bird that the neighbor's dog wanted to eat. She fed him mealworms that we raised right here at home. His broken leg never really healed, but he soon grew bigger and stronger. We took him to the park in the evenings so he could practice short flights. It was fun to watch him fly. Every session, he would fly for longer distances. One day, he flew up a tree, but Luciana got him back. Until one day, he took up to the skies, into the sunset, and off he went. We didn't want to let go of him, but my dad said that it was okay, that one day we would also take our own flight into the sunset. He explained that we were his little birds, and that one day we would learn how to fly too. Wow, I could barely wait for that day, I said, to which he said, yes, but until then, my son, you guys have to eat a lot of worms. I hope he was kidding. I don't like worms.